Flowlens integrated sales and manufacturing saves you time scheduling work, purchasing materials, and backflushing stock. Let's create a product that you're manufacturing. Click Stock, Parts, and Add Part. Any part must have the required fields. Select Is Manufactured for any product or subassembly that is made in-house. If you need a serial number for each end product, select Generates Unique Assets. Save the part, then use the Components tab to add parts to the bill of materials. You can also add configurable options, which are covered in more detail in a later video. You'll need to add the parts required to build your bill of materials. Simply follow the same process for individual components and materials. Or use the Parts Importer via the Settings menu to add parts in bulk. Ensure each part has at least one supplier added. You can specify the supplier's code, price, lead time, and more. This information can be added or updated in bulk via the supplied Parts Importer. Back to our manufactured part. As you add parts to the component list, Flowlens totals the cost price of the bill of materials. Use this to update the part cost and desired sell price for your product. Let's create a quotation for our new product. Select or add the customer, add the product part, review the details before sending the quote. Once approved by the customer, generate a sales order, and then a project to make our product. Scroll down and create the job card. Then click Actions Edit to assign a user and set a start and end date. Click on the MRP tab in the job card to see demand for the parts. You can search for suppliers and generate purchase orders within the job card. You can also view the overall MRP report to see overall demand and generate purchase orders across job cards. As you kit the stock, reserve items on the job card to accrue the costs. Use the Timesheets tab to record actual labour time used. The dashboard shows your actual costs accruing to the job. Use the Output Assets tab to see the TBC serial number of your product. View the asset screen to edit the serial number as you require. Now complete the job card and put the product into a location ready for dispatch. Upon completion, the materials allocated to the job have automatically been deducted from stock. Return to the sales order, click Actions and Dispatch, then enter the serial number of the asset you wish to dispatch. This has been a quick start guide to creating parts, bills of materials, job cards, and finished products. Request a demo today to see more.